In this video, you'll learn how to cancel an eBay order after payment. This process will guide you through accessing your purchase history, sending a cancellation request, and monitoring the refund status. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the top of the page and locate the menu. Click on My eBay and then select Purchase History from the drop-down options. This section displays all your recent orders and transactions, allowing you to find the specific order you wish to cancel. After you've opened the Purchase History section, look for the order you want to cancel. Carefully review the item information and seller details to ensure you are selecting the correct order. It is important to note that cancellation requests are generally easier to process if the item has not yet been shipped. Once you've confirmed the order details, find the cancellation option, typically located next to the order information. Next, select the option to request order cancellation from the order details page. This will prompt eBay to open a new section where you can send a request directly to the seller. In this section, provide a clear and polite explanation for the cancellation. This can significantly increase the likelihood of your request being approved. Once your explanation is written, submit the cancellation request and wait for the seller's response. The seller will review your cancellation request and decide whether to accept it. If the order's not been processed yet, sellers typically respond quickly. It is advisable to monitor your email for any updates, as you will receive notifications regarding the status of your request. Refrain from taking further actions until you have received a response from the seller. If the seller approves your request, the order will be cancelled and the refund process will begin. The refund is usually issued to the original payment method used for the purchase. Be aware that processing times may vary based on the payment provider. To ensure the cancellation has been completed, you should regularly check your order status. Additionally, you may receive an email confirmation from eBay indicating that the order has been successfully cancelled. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.